Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use split screen in vivo Y04. If you're using vivo Y04 and you want to use split screen mode in your phone, so let's see how can I do this. There are two different ways to use split screen. The first way is that you just have to open any app which you want to use in the split screen. First, let me tell you that system apps are not available in split screen mode. Just open any app and then scroll down to control center and you'll get the split screen option here. Just tap on it and it will be enabled. Now you can easily use two apps at a time in your split screen. That was the first way, but there's a second way, so let's see how can we use that. You just have to go to main settings, and in main settings just look for shortcuts and accessibility. Select split screen here, and you must have to enable this, which is swipe up with three fingers to use split screen. So let's see how. Just open the app, and here just swipe up with three fingers just like this. And after that your split screen will be enabled. You must have to select the app which you want to use in split screen. In this way you can easily use split screen in your vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.